κόκκινα φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the Symbol R18. What a piece of beauty. I love it. This is a really beautiful motorcycle. Suppose that this is a cruiser, but my opinion is that this is a roadster motorcycle with a bit of vintage inside. It looks very much like R51 of the 50s. It's so beautiful bike. This is not following the American way. This is BMW. If we say BMW, we mean that. This is BMW. So if you like BMW and the Boxer, this bike, there is no doubt that this is for you. What we got in this bike? First of all, we have simple things. We have metal wheels that they are so beautiful, fishtail exhaust that they are more than beautiful. We got small tail and not long tail. We got metal tank that you don't even have to lock. It's just so simple. With a single clock on it, this is a bike that it's a really nice bike. It's lovely to ride it. It's a bike that is 345 kilos with all the liquids on it, and believe me, feels very light. You ride it inside the city, you ride it outside of the city, it's lovely motorcycle. And let's see now the position of riding. I have those heaters here for my legs, it's good for the winter time. And here I have normal foot resters for my legs, typical, okay, they made with rubber, and I'm waiting now for Georgia. I feel comfortable. Of course, I'm not protected from the wind and from the water, but let's say that this is a bike that looks nice. It's not the point of this bike to be, you know, very comfortable, very super for you. The point of this bike is to look nice, and if the bike looks nice, you look nice also. So Georgia, how are you feeling back?
Very nice. This is an old types of footrest, and it's not a footrest, it's stepper.
Footrest.
I feel it's a little bit small, it's a little bit hard, but you know, I'm coming from the other models, so I think it's okay. It's okay. My legs are okay. I feel good.
Of course you feel good, because everybody feels good in this piece of beauty. Okay, we got programs that we control it from our left hand, and this simple thing is the clock of the Symbol R18. And then you starting the bike, you feel it a little bit, all this I mean, because this is 1,800 cubics, and you feel it. Haha! Anyway, it's got many programs, it's Berlin made, it's a typical nice classic roadster Symbol clock. What we got here, this is the biggest Boxer that ever BMW made. It's a 4-stroke, of course, twin, horizontally boxer, of course. It's got 4 valves per cylinder and give us 91 horses at 4,750 RPM, but it's enough. It give us 158 Nm at 3,000 RPM, that they are a lot. Okay, we got 6-speed, we got shaft, of course, and because those bikes are very heavy, we got backwards. We got a lever from the other side that you turn it, and then with a starter you move the bike with a small electrical generation back. So, do I like this engine? Yes, it's a very good engine for this motorcycle. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a good bike for the category. It's not comfortable, you are not protected from the water, I mean the rain, you are not protected from the air, you got the heaters for your legs, but anyway it's beautiful. And if the bike is beautiful, you forget everything else. I like it, I like it, I like it. And also I feel it so light when I ride it. It's not a problem. Think that all these days that we have the 3 motorcycles, the 3 R18, this is the bike that always Georgia has. Loves also this motorcycle. So anyway, I don't know if you like it also. This is a good and simple motorcycle for you, Georgia. Tell us.
Yeah, well, I enjoy it very much. I liked turning with it. I liked riding it outside in the national freeway. I enjoyed riding into the town. I like those,
the clutch, the brakes.
Yes, I loved it. And
the levers, you mean?
Yes,
they are
the
big.
levers.
Yes, the levers are big and comfortable to all the models.
Very, very comfortable. So I really like it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us. If we are going here to the R18, the classic one, this is a piece of art. This is beautiful. This is nice motorcycle. It's a, I like it. It's not a cruise. I believe that this is a roadster with a bit of vintage inside. So this motorcycle is maybe the most common thing to this motorcycle that ever BMW make. So I love it. The simple, the classic one, this one, the roadster. I love it. So Georgia, please. What is your opinion, Georgia?
I was loving every minute of it. I rode these bikes and I think they have the greatest riding experience ever.
Which one you prefer?
That one.
You do, eh?
I like this also.
Oh, this is classic. This is what we mean classic motorcycle.
Classic. But that is fantastic roadster.
Fantastic.
You go and you don't want the road to stop. Fantastic.
So, ladies and gentlemen.